take off too much. Boom. Done.
It's gone.
Okay? Boom. Right here. Look at this right here. See this? All this is because they just moved in. So we lightly sand it off. Right, that touches up. Lightly do it. Don't go crazy sanding, because then you'll take too much than that you're supposed to have. There's always tricks, guys.
120.
Yeah, you don't really want it too much finer. That's this is 180, but this is too rough. But this was good for here. But normally 320, you're good. This I was using for something else. Just because they're moving stuff, you know. This is all dirty stuff. They're, you know, whatever it is, those cushions, whatever it is. So it doesn't really need to be a big repair. You just need to look at the repair and see what's the best way to fix the situation, fix the problem. Mr. Clean Sponge is very good with white Venetian plasters. Mr. Clean Sponge is basically a fine